Marion, stop. Marion, stop. Actually, Marion, I'll leave you on quarter, thanks. Marion, quarter. And Maria, you can go up to half. Maria, half. I'll do it fast, moving out. Thanks, Ryan. And Ryan, when you're there, you can lift off quarter power, thanks. Ryan, quarter, let me get there. Marion, up to half. Marion, half. And Ryan, when you're out there, increase to half power, thanks. Copy that. Ryan, just about to start the weight and we'll give you half. Thank you. And Maria, you can go back to quarter. Maria, back to quarter. Ryan's at half. Thanks, Ryan. Marion, back to quarter. Marion, quarter. Marion, half. Marion, half. Maria, minimum. Maria, minimum. Ryan, quarter. Ryan, quarter. Ship astern. Marion, half. Marion's on half. Okay. Maria, stop. Maria, stop. Yeah, jetty, pilot. Hey, pilot. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, headlines. It's 222 and 2 tie-up. The springs will be to D and I. Springs on D and I. Roger. Okay. Yeah, okay, Maria, Emma, you can come in back in and be ready to push things. Maria moving back in. Emma, come back on first. Marion quarter. Marion reduced quarter. Rear alongside. Thanks, Marion. Emma, stand by. Thanks, Al.